Alright, so today I'm going to be working with Modern Show hair, and this is a 360 wig. It's straight and it is 24 inches. I've already plucked it and it didn't need much plucking, didn't take too long. I may have over plucked it a little bit on that side, but I think that never really bothers me because it makes it look more like scalp. Look at this hair, you guys. Like, this luster is amazing. Okay, amazing. This hair was so easy to flat iron, so easy, with no product, no nothing. I didn't add any oil, I didn't add anything. I was just so impressed. And now you can see on that side that I'm brushing, I didn't flat iron it. So cute. Like, it's super silky. Like, look at this hair, you guys. This hair looks so bomb. So you guys, make sure you check out Modern Show hair and you will not be disappointed. Like, this hair was so easy to work with. Like,